Welcome back, guys, to another tutorial. This is Salt from Salt and Pepper in Second Life, and today I'm going to show you a short one, how to import feet and hands into the Maitreya kit so you have a full kit to use on a single object mesh with different weights from different sources. So what you get if you apply for the kit is you get the body only, which is not bento. The bento parts are the hands only, and we will change that in here in the basic kit that you have. You have to apply for the hands and feet separately, and when you have gotten the files from her, you will just go to import. I prepared all the files in one folder already. This is the folder you get when you apply for the hands. The bento is inside there, and you choose the FBX file that you can import into the scene. I'll give it a second, and here it appears, and you already can see that the skeleton changed to the bento one. Now we have two layers of skeletons in here. The skeleton itself is only one, so like if I delete one, you see it's completely gone, although both layers are active. So we will going to revert that, and we will just delete the layer that we don't need, so we have still one that we can toggle on and off. And you see that the rig of the body itself has not changed. It's still there, although the skeleton was exchanged to the bento one. So you have all the fingers now working. See? And the same we're going to do with the feet. So we're just going to go to File and Import. And we're going to go to the feet folder, find the FBX file, and import those. Now we again have two skeleton layers that we don't need, so I'm just going to delete one. And you have your high, mid, and flat feet in there, which you can toggle on and off in the layers. And here you have a complete kit, and I suggest to save this so you have a base file. I will call this complete. And then you can work with this. Now to prepare for Second Life again, if you're gonna bind meshes to the full skeleton like this, you won't be able to upload as the weights are gonna be grayed out. I explained already in the video before. I'm gonna show on this one once more. If you do clothing and you don't need wings or tail bones and stuff like that, or even face bones, which are a lot, you just can delete them up front, so you won't even bind to them, or you bind later to the selected bones that you need for your own mesh. What I do is just delete. This we can do since we have bento. These are all the face bones, so just the eyes left. And here we go. So I just have the hands left. The neck is there, and everything else I need for the body. And this way we can start using like boots, gloves, stuff like that. So where you need weights from both parts, you can transfer them from here. In the next tutorial, I will show you how you will combine those weights to make it easier for the skinning process and for the copying process. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!